Let's move on to the next fight, ladies and gentlemen. The next fight is in the women's strawweight division, and I have Andrew Liu with me, who's the biggest advocate of women's MMA in the country. Did I nail it, Andrew?
Well, absolutely. I love women's MMA.
Making her way to the cage, Harpreet Kaur.
I love the sound engineer, man. It's not the fighters, it's the sound engineer who's a metalhead. He's a fellow metalhead.
It's a night of heavy metal. Again, cornered by Kuldeep. Harpreet Kaur is 24 years old. Comes from Punjab. And again, is looking to take her. It's the more correct music for Hardeep, I would say.
एंड्रू, थोड़ा सा बताना चाहूंगा हरप्रीत के बारे में. बहुत ही पुरानी वुशु का है सर्किट में. इन्होंने कुमिते वन लीग, जो कि एक रियलिटी शो है, वो भी किया था. हालांकि अमृतसर से हैं, पंजाब से हैं. कुलदीप शेखो इनके कॉर्नर में हैं, बट ये भी गुड़गांव में रहती हैं, वॉरियर्स को में ट्रेन करती हैं. और जिस प्रकार से बैकग्राउंड ट्रैक बता रहा है, शी इज हियर टू ड्रॉप बॉम्ब्स. काफी टाइम के बाद प्रो एमएमए सर्किट में इनका रिटर्न हो रहा है. ऑफ लेट कुछ फाइट्स अच्छे नहीं रहे हैं, बट बहुत मेहनत करी है काफी कुछ महीनों में, और आज ये बिल्कुल ये दिखाना चाहेंगी that she is back in the game. She's back in the strawweight division, and maybe, you know, the strawweight division in the countries is not that. I mean, the strawweight division in the country is not that stacked. Definitely we have Pooja Tomar. We've got Asha Roka, you know, they're the real torchbearers of the strawweight division, and we definitely have Sonam Zumba. But at the same time, there are other fighters in the same category. Just like Deepika Thapa, हमने इनको पिछले VFC में देखा था. इनकी फाइट थी शालिनी से, बहुत ही अच्छी फाइट की. दिल्ली के जिम में ट्रेन करती हैं. इनके कोच हैं जमशेद, जो कि वो भी वुशु बैकग्राउंड से हैं, और बहुत ही अच्छी स्ट्राइकिंग है दीपिका थापा की. I mean, look at that, you know, only 18-19 years of age, she's fighting pro, and she's excellent.
Crazy.
She's excellent.
No, both these fighters, one is 24, one is 19. They're not much older than each other, and they both come from a wushu background. So if anything, I think we're going to be witnessing a striking battle here. Unless one decides to take the other down.
And her opponent fighting out of the red corner, her weight 51.90 kilograms, fighting out of India, Deepika Thapa. Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, referee from the field, Bish.
Referee Abhishek Bisht giving the fighters their final instructions. Both these ladies look determined. Both want to win. Here's round one. Here we go.
पहली women's bout. और चलिए करते हैं शुरू. हमारे साथ है दीपिका थापा, और इनका सामना हो रहा है पंजाब की हरप्रीत कौर से. हरप्रीत ब्लू ग्लव्स में, दीपिका रेड ग्लव्स में.
You were saying, Rahul, both these girls come from a wushu background. You can see like both of them want to strike. No taking each other down, no want to grapple. They just want to like blast each other.
I mean, striking is the game, you know. Oh man, look at that.
She missed a nice head kick, but the setup was great. Oh, just as we were speaking, back into the ground. As you can see, Deepika's corner giving her instructions on what to do from the top. Harpreet has got a good overhook, but I don't think it's a tight overhook. If Deepika wants, she can just posture up and start raining down blows.
I mean, the position is not helpful to either of
No,
them.
no, it's not at all.
What Harpreet is doing is she's just trying to hug Deepika. What she needs to do is, oh man,
Beautiful elbow from the bottom. Oh, it looks like she's setting an armbar up. She's twisting for it. She needs to hyperextend the hips now.
Oh, man.
Use her body. She's lost it. She's basically lost control of the elbow joint.
What an excellent scramble between both these ladies. I mean, it definitely looks like, you know, Harpreet, she's worked on a ground game. She's been training at Warriors Cove MMA, and it
Yeah.
actually shows. It actually shows in action right now.
Yeah, she looks a bit stronger and she's now mounted Deepika. She's probably in the most dominant position you can be in mixed martial arts apart from taking the back.
And दीपिका यहाँ कोशिश कर रही है कि एकदम से रिवर्सल आए, but बिल्कुल भी नहीं ब्रिज करने की कोशिश और ब्रिज करके रिवर्सल करने की
So
कोशिश.
what I don't like about what Deepika is doing is she's using too much energy to try and get out of here. She needs to be a little more technical, get to her side, push Harpreet's knees, get back to half guard and get back to full guard. Right? There's a way to do things. She's just trying to muscle her way out of it. She's going to get her back taken now if she's not careful. She's almost got her back taken. Harpreet has got both hooks in, and now this is bad for Deepika. This is really, really bad for Deepika. Harpreet can now start letting go of punches and maybe look to set up a rear naked choke. She's gonna punch her and then try and slide that arm.
Oh,
Maybe it looks like she's got it.
She's got the.
It looks like she's got the
She's
grip.
got the rear naked.
But Deepika's game, man, she's fighting the top hand, doing all the correct things.
Oh, could be a neck crank. You know, these are those little moments.
Yeah.
When action just takes a U-turn
Oh,
and she taps. All right, ladies and gentlemen, fourth fight of the evening, and giving you a lot of action, a lot of adrenaline. Strawweights, women's MMA, man. Andrew, what do you have to say about this?
Very impressive, very, very impressive performance by Harpreet. Weathered a little bit of adversity, took a couple of shots on the feet.
I mean, this bout actually lived the hype.
And eventually got taken down and basically made the most of it and choked out Deepika. There, you can see that she took a big shot there, got taken down, reversed the position and choked Deepika out. Very impressive.
I mean, what was most impressive was transitions on the ground. Harpreet was slick with the transitions. She was transitioning right from the back, as you can see in there. Oh, look at that. I think the only hand that she threw in the fight.
No, I mean, I can understand the elation, man. Like, you've taken a little bit of punishment and you come back and submit your opponent, you know? It's highest of highs, the lowest of lows, right?
Chaliyo,
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Abhishek Vishwal will stop in 3 minutes and 1 second of round 1 for your winner. Submission by the rear leg choke. Harpreet Kaur.
Beautiful work by Harpreet Kaur. Our first women's MMA fight in BSC 4, and it ends in a submission.